12, which is on page 97, and it's the regards the Depute President role and Remit. This was proposed by Rachel and Dane, so can I have someone please introduce?
Right. Hello, I hope you're all feeling better after lunch. Have we got everyone on VC back? Most people. Some people. I think we're missing Lou's Castle still. So I'll just launch on.
Yeah, I think we need to make it.
Right, very good. Basically, this is once again going back to kind of operational things. Last year, the post of Deputy President was approved. Well, it was approved to hire to employ a part-time officer, which is Kat. The title of Vice President was shifted on to the part-time role, and the role of Deputy President was then taken and kind of amalgamated with roles that have been kind of shifted together, creating another post with the title Deputy President, which is me. Unfortunately, at the time, no one remembered that they needed to put it into the Constitution. So basically, this motion lists all the changes that the changes to incorporate the role into the Constitution. With each point that needs to be, where is it? It's somewhere in here. It's to be. It lists basically all it does is it changes a few. It lists everywhere that needs to include reference to Deputy President in addition to the President and Vice President. There are a few things in terms of the roles that I have changed to better reflect how we're operating now. Instead of the Vice President being in charge of finance, now the Deputy President, etc. So there are a few minor changes in terms of that. There are almost no additions other than literally incorporating the job title into the text. And I have included a job description at the end that should be inserted into Schedule 2. And that will be inserted. The numbers, the points are, the second point is 2.x, so that I think could be inserted between the current President and Vice President roles. That then would become Schedule 5, S2.6, I think it would be, 6.1, and then everything else in that section would be shifted down one bit. Does that all make sense?
Yes.
Okay, cheers, Dane. Do we have any points for clarification? We're just looking into the numbers as well, because I think we're slightly under the core at the moment.
Elsa's missing. There's Chuck here missing. He's gone. Oh, he's gone, is he?
Do we know where people are?
No.
Elsa said she had an appointment. Melissa's on the phone to Lou's Castle. Elsa should be back just after 2, should we say?
No, I think she will be back sooner. I think I just confused them by suggesting that lunch was still too.
Okay. I mean, obviously, any vote that we take actually won't stand unless we call it. We'll call it.
No, I mean, this actually is the first student council I can remember which is quoted.
Oh.
So it's not binding on the association, but it would give a very strong steer.
Yeah.
And it would normally be followed.
Right. Pete, do we know where Lewis is? Is he on his way back? Sam?
Might not have heard you.
Hi, Pete.
Oh, yeah.
Is Lewis on his way back, or is he away doing the review?
No, he's away for the whole afternoon. He's doing a PhD mentor meeting with a supervisor.
Okay, no worries.
Lou's Castle will be joining again at 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock.
Can you just summarise quoracy? The question was, I was saying that quoracy is not necessary for it to be. No. If you quote it, it will be binding. But if it's not quoted,
if it's not quoted while we talk about any of the motions, the decision then will be deferred to the executive committee the next time they meet for approval. So I would presume that you can still continue just now with the motions, and then we'll be quoted once Lou's Castle join. Lou's Castle join at 2 o'clock. But anything that happens in this time, the debate can still happen, and so on. But the binding approval will be at the exec meeting.
Right, okay then, so we will proceed. Can I just take timings? How long, when's the next agenda item? How long have we got?
I think each.
2.5.
That was supposed to be the closing anyway.
Grand, okay, so we can push into Okay, so in that case, I think what we'll do is we'll just go through, if everyone's happy, we'll go through the standard procedure, and any official sign-off can take place afterwards at the exec meeting. Right, okay, so do we have any points of clarification, Jane? I think think everyone was happy with that.
There's a lot of text in there, but pretty much it's almost all basically inserting deputy president into various places needed.
Grand. Thank you. In that case, there are no amendments that I've heard or parts. We'll go straight to the vote. Can I have all
Unless
those?
there's a speech against.
So, sorry, speech against. Yeah. Has anyone got a speech against?
Anyone disagree with the inclusion in the constitution?
Excellent. That makes things easier. We'll go to the vote now then. Okay. All those in favour, please.
18. How many is in that?
10.
28.
Grand. Okay. Good. Because it's happening at the moment. Against? Anyone abstaining? Right. Excellent. Okay.